So at first, open your phone manager. Now mark viruses. And here you can smoothly scan your device by tapping on Scan Again. Now give your device a couple of seconds to scan your phone, then you will be informed if there is any threat detected. Yeah, so that's it. Once your device is secure, you will be informed here, and if there is any risk detected, you will be also informed over here, but instead of Scan Again, you will have Remove Viruses. So click it and then your device will be smooth and secure again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.